Hey, you have probably heard the news by now about Target, a retailer that I feature on this channel quite a bit in both budget beauty and budget fashion videos. In response to the economy and inflation, Target is cutting prices to 5,000 items this summer, which includes food, drink, and household essentials. They've already cut prices to about 1,500 items so far. So for me, it seemed like an obvious opportunity for a revisit to go back into the store, take a look at some deals that are out there for everything, really. I mean, I'm generally in there, like I said, for fashion and beauty, but we can take a look at some household items and do some price comparisons and see where good deals can be had and hopefully help you save some money, because I know you are budget conscious just like I am, and nobody likes wasteful spending. So let's head inside. I love Target for lamps and lampshades. For instance, this one that I found here on the bottom is a magnificent base, and it's big. I mean, this thing is solid, right? And it's $42. And then you get a massive shade like this, the rectangular one, and this was $22. So for $62, you have what looks like a designer lamp. Get a nice warm incandescent bulb at about 40 watts. Beautiful. Someone would think you spent hundreds of dollars on that. So for home essentials and home decor, you can really find some good deals here with a lot of stylized finishes, basically. Okay, y'all, this is beautiful. I love great throw pillows and accent pillows. And this is so pretty. Look at this with the orange and the cream by Threshold for $25. And I don't know, I like this one down here too. I mean, you compare big and little, but these are beautiful for a couch or for bedding. This one, the large one, is $30. Great finds. Also, this is a really pretty neutral, if that's your jam. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful pillows, and massive. How much are you? $30. So it looks like $30 for the big ones and $20 for the smaller ones. But yeah, if your bed or couch is in need of an upgrade, you'd be amazed at how just a few accent pillows, change of color, pop, can really make all the difference. Great prices. This I would consider a household essential. I'm sorry, but as somebody who lives and breathes by her coffee, this is a must. And these tumblers are beautiful, and they're only $9.99. And they come in large and smaller ones. Will fit in your cup holder in your car, but just adorable. And of course, by Hearth and Hand, Magnolia. Good brand, you can always trust it. I seem to really be into this earth tone, this sort of orangey brown, but look at this dinnerware set. This is pretty amazing. Each individual plate, dinner bowl, cereal bowl is $4, but the entire set down here is $25. That's a good deal. It's a 12-piece, so you get 4 each of the plate, salad bowl, and soup bowl. Okay, y'all, this is super cool. This is the Threshold Performance Bath Towel. This has a neat animal print, and it's in gray. I know a lot of bathrooms are kind of gray and white and neutral, but this is a solid gray, and this one has a pattern. But what great prices. All of these are $14, and again, consider their performance collection, their best-selling towel, and fade and water resistant. So for the size of that towel, you can't go wrong. And then they've got regular size towels for $9, washcloths for $8, and of course all the mats and accompaniments if you're needing to sort of upgrade your bathroom or just sort of replenish your towel supply. Huge fan of Target loungewear. In fact, I own this little sleep shirt. This thing is amazing in this beautiful yellow, but their Stars Above line is so great, and I found this 2-piece. The cotton in this is like buttery soft, super light, super sheer, I'm sure you can tell, and it's a top and a pair of pants to go with it. So I'm going to add this to the cart because the price is right. Hold on. Top is $20 and the pants are $20 as well. So they're going in. Sorry for the extreme close-up. At this age, those are not very kind. And then, so when I go to work, you see I'm dressed right now in sweats, head to toe. This is how I show up to work at Merritt Street, and then I change my clothes when I'm there. So I'm always in search of just really easy in and out kind of hoodies, sweatshirts, and things like that. And this one's perfect because it's a zip up, so that way I can put on my makeup, unzip, and then put on my work clothes. And again, the price is right as well. This is $25 for that cute white hoodie. And it's light for summertime. Okay, I'm just gonna be Captain Obvious here. My best jeans, literally, my favorite jeans in my entire closet come from two places. Number one, Target. Number two, Zara. Do not spend crazy money on denim. You absolutely don't have to. In fact, one pair that I got from Target, I have worn year after year after year on a ton of YouTube videos, and they're the most requested pair of jeans that I own. Just ask Courtney.
You guys, she's not lying. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C. I swear, I think I could keep going and going, but she loves these jeans. And whenever we're around anybody, whenever she says, oh, my Target jeans, or oh, anyone recommends, these are always the jeans. I'm just sitting here editing and I had to add this in that she's not exaggerating at all. Target jeans are her #1 choice all day.
It's true. Universal thread, white denim vest, $30. That would be a yes to the vest. So personal hair care items are $3.99 and up, and if you buy 4 or more, you get a $5 Target gift card, which is really great. And as you can see, a product that I have featured before, Shea Moisture. Granted, I wish it were $3.99, but I would be buying 4 or more. The Curl and Shine conditioner and the shampoo are $10.99 each. So in this case, it makes sense to stock up, especially if you've got a larger family and you need a lot of product. Yeah, that's kind of a no-brainer, right? So sometimes if I'm stuck at the office and I need a little bite and I'm tired of nibbling on nuts, sometimes these are really, really good. I mean, it's Scott & John's Honey Garlic Shrimp Rice Bowl, and it's got 16 grams of protein, 260 calories, so it's a pretty healthy meal. I'm not a super big fan of frozen meals, but like I said, in a pinch, sometimes they're a necessity, and you can find some healthy options out there. And the price on this is crazy. It was $3.79. Winner, winner, shrimp dinner. So again, they're targeting larger families with these deals. I mean, for instance, this massive 8-pack of paper towels. If you spend $50 or more, you get a $15 gift card. So for families that need to get a lot of bulk, you know, you can make some. You can get some good deals here at Target, especially on paper towels, toilet paper, and household essentials. That's where I'm really seeing some of the biggest and deepest discounts. And that's what they had been advertising is, you know, household essentials are getting some substantial cuts, but I'm really seeing it store-wide. Seriously, dog food is expensive. It's hard to find a bag of anything under $40 these days, especially if you have a large breed dog or you just want to get a large bag. That's where you save money. So here you spend $40 or more and you get a $10 gift card. So there are these opportunities to keep getting these gift cards, and then you can redeem them on any product in store. So Oscar is lucking out today. And so is Mama. Okay, these hangers are an amazing deal. They were $8, but now they're half off. And they are $4 with the nice felt covering. A ton of these, 10 count, for $4. That's pretty sweet. I mean, you could literally redo your closet hangers and get a bunch of these. Great deal. I was literally just talking with Fanchon about this today. I carry such a big bag and an extra bag to work today, so I'm doing 2 bags, and she's got a backpack, and I'm like, I have got to start doing the backpack. So looky here, this thing is beautiful. It has a million compartments. It's a really nice taupey color, and it's going in the cart. Great for travel, summer travel. You know, we have Memorial Day holiday coming up. We've got summer travel, and whenever you go on an airplane, if you're not carrying a backpack, you're right shoulder is just going to be in excruciating pain. So from here on out, I'm going to do it right. Well, 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 looky here. Boss's Book in Target, and guess what? You get a deal. It's 30% off. This is such a great read. Cannot recommend it enough. And one of my personal favorites, I have gifted this to so many people, Jay Shetty's 8 Rules of Love, beautifully written. 20 bucks. Oh, and it's on sale online for $16. Oh my goodness, buttery, soft, and adorable. What a treat after an afternoon of shopping. Would you look at these stars above? I am obsessed with these pajamas. Oh, you guys, they are so light and amazing for the summertime. Again, 20 pant, 20 top, and it was just nice finding some good deals in good old Target. No matter your budget, I think everybody can find something, and it's just great to be mindful of price point, no matter where you like to shop or what it is that you're looking for. But hopefully today's video maybe pointed you in some interesting directions in terms of products out there, things that you might be looking for. I really wanted to try to, I guess, showcase a wide array of things that we might be purchasing for our homes and for ourselves. You may have noticed in the end of the conveyor belt, as things were feeding through to my checkout, gentlemen, there were some foundations on that conveyor belt. Yes, there is a matte full coverage foundation tutorial coming up, and I'm going to be testing 5 different foundations with a wide range of price points from drugstore all the way to higher end to see how they perform. That'll be coming up next Thursday here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget, my podcast is coming up, my podcast tour starting June 13th in Washington, D.C., June 14th in Brooklyn, June 19th here in the Big D, Dallas, Texas, and June 20th back in my hometown of Houston, Texas. I really hope to be able to catch you there. It would be such a great opportunity to meet you, shake your hand, give you a hug. We can talk retail therapy, we can talk deals, and we can most importantly encourage and inspire and lift one another. Can't wait to see you there. I really hope you can make it. There's a link below if you're interested in coming. Please, please, please come out. Time's going to go by quickly. And besides, it's my birthday, June 11th. So I think it's my birthday podcast tour on top of it. Okay, go out, be bold and be blessed. Most importantly, be comfortable and save money. And I'll see you next week. Bye.